Hello, testing. Okay, hi. Yep, I think we're online. Hi, everyone. Yep, this is JJ again from Shadowing the Big Boys. So yeah, this week, I'm coming back from the vacation that I have, um, over the last week. So last week I don't have a live streaming over here. So yeah, I was actually off vacations with my family. So yeah, without further ado, I think we can go back to the analysis. I won't be covering any of the week 24 review because I also wasn't on looking at the market as well. Yeah, just taking a break off the whole thing. Yeah, from trading and etc. Just spending my time with the family. Okay, so yeah, this is week 25. So week 25 will start next week, and then yeah, usually I just go by the week, and as usual, I mean, nothing changes. So for my perspective is I will always look at the USD first. So USD, of course, if you have been trading for the last week, you do see that it has already I mean, even the week before, I was already mentioning about the trend of the USD likely would be turning to the downside. So as you can see, after that, especially for the last three to 4 days, 3 to 4 days of the last week, it has been coming down quite significantly, and right now, right now it's actually coming back into this support and resistance zone, which okay, resistance then support in on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, mid-term wise, USD, I think ever since it has it has been coming down quite significantly. It's a downtrend. So yeah, after it has let's put over here this, yeah, after this area of consolidation, it has actually has turned down. So yeah, do expect some, I mean, even on Friday, so do expect some bounce over here for the USD. So if you are long on the other currency like the euro, the pound, or the Aussie dollar USD, yeah, maybe you would like to look for a exit. Yeah, probably it might be coming down. I mean, probably, yeah, it might be pulling back and profit taking for a bit from now on. So yeah, just let me read. So likely it will pull back, but it might not be a strong one. It will just be a correction, and yeah, it will come back down. So if you were to look at the 1 hourly, this is what I do see. You do have a double bottom here, and then a small breakout, and yep, yes, the prices are pulling back. So far there isn't any new low that is formed, but of course, anything can happen. Tuesday, it might form a lower low. No, nobody knows. But for now, if you are looking to, yeah, just trade off this small bounce, it is also possible. Looking at it, okay. So yeah, just be careful if you are just doing a counter trend on this US dollar. So yeah, of course, if you want to look at going long on the US dollar, you can just pair it up with some of this pair that is not that strong as compared. Then yeah, you can think much over here. Then probably for me this week, I'm looking more on the Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand dollar, I would think that it would be a long for me. I mean, I will be looking for long. Reason being, two things. So okay, just to remove all this unwanted arrows. So yeah, if you can see, this is actually a double bottom that's formed. There's a breakout forming a higher high over here. So Yeah, so over here, so right now it has pullback. So this is actually a flag that is flag, or it is just it's a pullback from what I can see. So right now, it would be good if you are able to find yourself some what you call that, setup for you to go on long over here. Yeah, if you were to long, I mean, if you were to look at it on the 4 hourly, then of course, if you trade off 4 hourly time frame, you can also probably look at this inverse. I mean, this your head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, for this setup to come true. Okay, so this is for the Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand should be, on my perspective, is going up. So that's for Euro New Zealand. Then I'm also looking at Pound Aussies. So Pound Aussies wise, is still bearish. So from my perspective, is on the higher time frame, you do see it's still forming higher, lower high, and it has also broke this uptrend. So probably what I will be waiting for is for this range to play out. This range has been played, I mean, in play for the last week. Okay, 4 hourly might be a better time frame for you to look at it. So yeah, you can see it has been forming here, here. It's not breaking out. So yeah, you also can draw it in another way. Maybe it's a downtrend channel, something like this. So yeah, it's just arranged for you to play. So I would say that for this, I'm looking to short. So maybe somewhere here on the trend line will be something that I will be interested to look at. Okay, then the maybe the last one that I want to look at is Aussie Swiss franc. So Aussie Swiss franc, I think on the daily it has already sort of like changed its trend. So this is the double bottom, and then this was the uptrend. I mean, this is the uptrend so far, and it has broke up to form more higher highs in that respect. Okay, so I would see it to face some resistance over here. So let me just draw it out. Yeah, over here. So there's still some room for you to go on long. Maybe what you can do is go, of course, go down to a low time frame. And last week I'm not, I didn't even look at the chart. So last week, if you were last week, you should be having a bullish bias on this Aussie Swiss franc already, because it has already broke out over here. And then since Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, this whole of last week, right? You would have like, look for long on the pullbacks over here. Okay, but right now it's still on the ding dong. So of course, if you were to look at it on the breakout perspective, then you want to look at it breaking out before you go on long. It can also on the other side go the other direction as well. So yeah, I mean, for me, I will definitely look for more onto the upside. Yep, for this, or this Swiss franc. So yes, this is so much from my analysis on the market, for the forex market. And then for the if you were to look at the S&P, and also on the Nasdaq, it has been quite, overly extended. And do take note, I mean, this is not something that I usually look at, but I mean, I will look at it on and off, because I do also have some position, as in those more of like mid-term, long-term investment in the indexes, and also in some of these stocks. So yeah, if you were to look at it on the trading perspective, then of course, if you are on the profit, then yeah, do take some profit off the table for I mean, if you are trading on the Nasdaq or if you're trading on the S&P E-mini, then yeah, um, keep an open mind to actually take some profit and let the small position just run, because nobody know when the trend will be ending. Because the fact that people are actually calling for short over here, but the market just keep moving up. So yeah, keep a small position, let it run, and that would be a long runner for you. Okay, so yeah, that's all for from my end this week, and hopefully you'll get something useful over here. Then if you find it useful for yourself, and you can share and subscribe, and also share with your friend and family. Okay, thank you.